Hello, it's Mike, Global Trading Software. This is our Thursday afternoon session. So we're just looking at the markets right now, kind of like the same thing this morning, kind of flat. So the prices are so way up in the areas too. It's just kind of crazy. But I really do think this thing's going to fly on the NQ right here. Look at the side chart. It's got room to run. As you can see, got a few resistance levels in it. I really think they're trying to push the 180. I really do. You break, I mean, this is way up here to 182, 181. Now I can go to YM. See what's going up in there. That's in a 5 minute. There you go. See, this is the thing. I have to keep doing this with this. I don't know if it's Moto Waves doing something or what, but I'm keeping him to update this all the time. Here, see. I'm about to get with Moto Wave and on that again because it's just not panning out for me. I'm wondering though where the level is on this because you can see right there the D's right here. All this right here is just serious garbage through here. So the high right there, yeah, it's into resistance. I'm not trading that. Just like everything's in resistance right now because they pushed the prices so high that you can't even make a decent trade. Trying to wait for something to break here so we can try to get south because unless it just wants to keep rolling north, but if it's going to roll north, then just let it fly and go on so we can have a good day. But since that's trading into the areas we don't want to go into right now, just keep an eye on that for me, Daniel. We'll look at this right here. Good morning or good afternoon, Edward. I mean, it's like if you try to trade this right here, you're probably gonna get smacked because it's 161 almost already. I mean, and the top of this is 166.50. We've already been there, and so basically, we need something to happen here. We need something to either just take off and go, yeah, or just quit trading up and down and sideways and in the cloud and all that like we've had all day. I mean, the NQ's really, except for the move, you got a little bit of a move here, but you couldn't take it. There's nothing there. So see, look, NQ today, zip, nothing on this 3 minute. I mean, there's just no trades here. So our Thursday is looking like more like the Fridays, and our Fridays look like more like a Monday now. Kind of crazy how things are changing. Wait for this to come back down. You see we got the Gartley pattern here, though. That was a nice pattern. At least I get nice, colorful patterns I can look at where the market's doing nothing. Something to do. Oh, what am I doing? There you go. Get out there. There we go. You want to see this thing come down. I want to see it tank. Yeah, it's just terrible. Been terrible today. I haven't got to take like 2 trades all day, like $200. That's it. Missed the oil one this morning because I think I got the communication mixed up on the short and the long. I think we had them backwards or something. I don't know what happened there. But it's all right. There's always tomorrow. See it reversing right here. reversing on the 3-minute. I bet you can look at the 1-minute, right, going up. That's what I was doing earlier. I had the 3-minute and the 1-minute both up at the same time. One was going up and one was coming down. Here comes the 3-minute pulling it down then. But it's got a long way to go before it actually does anything. Down. It breaks the, if it, breaks this level at 55, stays below the 55, you're good for the short. But it'll have to come down all the way down to 51.50 right here at the top of this EMA, and then about midways between the 44 and 50s where it should take off. So right in this area somewhere, probably right about here where this 161 is sitting, I would say. That's probably going to be the area where if it does hit this area, it's probably going to take off and run back down to 38.6. So we'll see how that works out for us. Yeah, we're going to start from now on Monday, man. Come Monday, we're going to be jumping in that hole every single morning. Even at the open, I think would be good because it's outperforming a lot of stuff. And when you get, a couple of really good trades a week off that, so we need to start focusing on this hole. Right now, you got everything just kind of the same as it was this morning. Low ask and low bid. Metals are completely doing nothing. Let's see what the energies are doing. A lot of bid and ask going into, no, that's energy, sorry. Yeah, the oil pit opens at 9 o'clock Eastern, 8 o'clock Central. And it closes at 2:30. I think that's right, Edward, 2:30, I do believe. I do think it's 2:30 on the oil pit close. Yeah. We can go over and look at the oil if you guys want to, since it's getting close to the close anyway. Since nothing else is really moving that great. 3-minute over here. And let's see here. There we go. Yeah, it's just kind of stuck too right now. Thank you for letting me know that's correct. I appreciate it. Yeah, see right here, you got this resistance line here. So it's neutral market down here. So it ain't doing anything either. But it might, but I don't think it's going to. It's just been really a crappy day because everything's just been, this was a good move over here. Really good move there for the oil there. And much this morning was a little bit right here, but nothing really extravagant. You know what I mean? It's just been cloud, see, range, cloud, range. So it's been kind of like that all day for the whole scope of everything's been kind of crappy. But I think what's going to happen if they want to, right now, this 156, man, this 156, 159, just like, oh, excuse me, 4 o'clock this morning was early, but 156, 159, man, I just, it's just crazy. $128. What do you mean 120 your time? But it's two market times two. You mean 1428 market time? Like 2 minutes before the close. Yeah, it's really been a tough one today. I mean, it's just nothing really. The market closes at 2:30 for oil. The open is 9 a.m. The close is 2:30. Yeah. So it closes in like 15 minutes. We might be able to catch something off of it. We'll go back in about 2 minutes and see. Maybe 20 after. Something like that. Who knows? Maybe get lucky and catch some off that one. It's too bad they don't let some of them close at certain times, like the ES and Q close at, right at 4. I'd say we're probably looking for a down more than likely a spike. Because right now this could have ranged sideways anyway, so let's just go back over to it. Yeah, see, here we go. Has to come above the EMA, but I'm just going to check something real fast to see where this thing is at, so I'll know before I get involved in this today. I'll take these right back off once I look, because I like to just kind of look. Yep, right there, 382. So I figured we're going to go right back up here to this 69.13. That's where we're going to head to. And the low is way down there, 67.80. So I don't need those no more. Take those off. Boom, good to go. For the highs, right? The breakout could be 69.20 right here if it comes up to there. Here we go. See what happens here. Yeah. There's some points right here, people. NQ's getting ready to fall. I'm watching it. Bouncing off the level, though, at 155, like always. Bounced that level several times already and came back up, went back down. So keep an eye on it. When I'm like this, guys, on my screen, can you see me, or all you see is the top of my head? There it is. Well, you're binding the resistance. Your entry's right here at 6709. Yeah, okay. 6709. That's because I'm just leaning forward. 6709 right here. Excuse me, 6907. Gosh, 6907, and that would be the entry if it makes it. But then we got resistance at the 14. But hey, we can take 7-8 points right here. If it would come back up, guys. It'll be all right. Right now, I'm willing to take anything. Just ain't getting nothing today. There you go. The entry's right here, but what happens with that? This is the pullback of the up, so we'll see. Could go either way here. Yeah. Could go either way. Never know. No, we've got about what? 12 minutes on this thing to do something. Let's just see if alt gives up something today. Could be a good trade. We break the EMA cloud here. 68.93. down to 68.78. So that's a good trade too. So either way, we might get something off this. Maybe, I don't know. They might close it right here. More than likely trade sideways, trade sideways for the rest of the day and close it right where it's at. You know what I mean? We're showing way high. Well, we're not showing too high in the buy range, so that's good. Let's never know. Just never know. While the NQ reversed, went back the other way, still playing in the same range between the 58 and the 60. It was playing around that area before, and now it's just kind of playing around the same thing, doing the same thing again. So it looks like to me we're flat right now in a lot of things. The only thing that really got a lot of bid and ask is the ES is looking really good. Well, it was. It's looking better than the rest of them. I don't see. There you go. Fix that. um, we'll get something before the end of the day. The power hour, maybe. Yeah, we got resistance or support in there at 68.87. So not a lot going on with the oil. Not a lot at all. We'll just have to wait and see what she does. Stretching today. That's cool. Down my screen down here at the bottom. I got my alerts, so I'll make sure they're on down here. I have a little on my Omen laptop. It has a smaller screen down below, like down there. It has a regular screen over here. So there's two different screens on it. So you have a laptop and above. So it's kind of, I can look down like this and see the. When you see me looking down, I'm looking down to look at all the different alerts we've had today. You can see it kind of really cool. I look straight forward at my laptop screen, and then I got the monitors, two monitors running also. So basically, I have four screens running right now, trying to get something. Yeah, I don't think the oil's going to do much, guys. 10 minutes. We'll see. NQ is doing the same thing. The NQ looks just like this. So let's look over here. Let's see what the ES looks like. Yeah, same thing. Pretty much. But maybe we break this. The ES might give us something good here on the 3-minute. That'd be nice. But we'll take the RTY real fast also. So you got the 6-star on the RTY right here. Entries right here, but it's going to push up. You can see it's coming down into resistance, old resistance, new support. So it's kind of doing the same thing as the ES and NQ. Same thing on the YM. Same exact scenario. Coming back down into the old support zones. So that kind of shows you guys what's going on with the market right now. Everything's just trying to trade sideways or trade into support. Not it's a bad thing. It's just we wish it would just do something different. Some days it, some days it does, and some days it don't. So we have to wait and see. We need a really good trade, Daniel. We need like a $3,000 trade. Wouldn't that be great if we just get a $3,000 trade today? Make it all go away. Basically, we're just kind of waiting for it to do something here, but we got about what 7 minutes to this oil pit closes. So maybe we'll come down 7 minutes and come all the way back down here. I want to see it drop. I want to see it drop to the 68.78, right where it came from. That's what I want to see. Breaks this EMA cloud. We might, yeah, it would be very nice. Breaks this EMA cloud. We'll see if we can get it to come down. But yeah, I'd like to see a big giant trade. Since we've not really had a lot of big trades this week, it'd be nice to finish off today with a huge trade. There you go. 100 messages again today. We're still on the roll. I thank you guys for coming on with me today. I really appreciate it. You can see, I think you can see my shirt. It's the size matters right here. So size matters when you're trading too. It's bullets on my shirt. You see the bullets? Size matters. Pretty cool. So we'll come down here, man. If we can break down through here and tag this 68.78. We can get a candle to finish down below the EMA at the 68.94. We can get one to close under there and start coming down. Thank you, Edward. We can get one to come down here, man, and close. We're good to go. But you can see it's wanting to play games with us. It knows what you want, so I think it's going to kind of do this. Same thing the NQ is doing. NQ is like trading sideways. Look at this. Wow. Look at that move. Was that it? Really, guys? I think the old guys are not liking us today. That's what it is. I hope this is not a going to be the way the rest of the market goes today. Finish on a sideways trade. Daniel, I'm thinking about trading. Thinking about trading to London tomorrow morning. Maybe I don't know yet. So we might have some success in London on Friday morning, or the U.S. Friday morning. Maybe I might trade it tomorrow. I don't know yet. Yeah, no kidding, right? Yeah, that's exactly right. That's funny. It is funny. Yeah, figured it would jump right here at the end, but can't get into it because there's nothing closing here. The 6 star is uh, right here, entry. So it's just tagging our line again. I bet it tags that line right there. So let's just see about this. I go one contract on it or something. And there it goes. I knew I was going to tag my line. I'll wait for it to pull back. Yeah, I knew it was going to tag. I should have got in that. Entry's right here, so it's going back again. See it? So I'm waiting for it to go back and go back into it. Just going to grab one contract on it. That's it. Just because it's going to close anyway. showing zero here. I don't know what's going on. There it is. $10, $20. I'll take $50 off of this. Come on. If we can get it. I'm above the entry line, so hey, whatever, you know. Wow. Back down to the entry again. Let it push up. $10 down. Oh, mercy. I can't be 40. See, my price is not moving again. This is killing me with Moto Wave. This is 40. It's 10. There you go. $10 down. I would just jump up here and touch my line right up here before the close. You know what I mean? Only got a minute, so I'll make sure I get out before it closes. Hmm. It's trying. Nope, they ain't doing nothing. So not doing anything much. So we'll just have to get out of it. Yeah, it's gonna pull back. I'm just gonna take the just get out of the thing there. And that was that. $20. Now watch it go right back up. Yeah, we had a 6-star here, but I was just gonna try to take like $50, but it didn't really do much. Turn around, do nothing. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Now we need this one here to close under um, 51.50, or excuse me, the 51.50, not the 53. It needs to close under this 53.75. This next candle needs to close and come down, and we're looking at a solid trade there. It'll stop moving and close instead of going all the way down to here and hit my line, like I called earlier. So we're looking at the NQ to see what it's going to do. We need one more candle to close on this thing. Let it pull. I hope it pulls all the way back to where it started, 53. Next candle forms down. That's what we need. If the next candle forms down below that 50, about that 50, 51, 50, we're going to be in good shape. Just trying to get some of the, yeah, we hit the volume spike, didn't go anywhere. I only lost $20 on it, so it wasn't a biggie. I wouldn't gamble much on that one. I figured it might not run. If it ran for $50, I'd take it. $100, but 20 I can live with. The way this market is today, I don't think I'm going to go more than 2 contracts. It's been absolutely stupid today. Somebody's texting me, "Hey, I'm having a crappy day." That's what they just said. No, yeah, there's reversals. It'll have to reverse. Reverse is 156 is the reversal. 156.75, somewhere around there. You might reverse just below that when this resistance zone is sitting right there, which I can't see because that price is in the way, but let's see if I can get it this way. There you go. 155.25. Just waiting for it to do its thing here. There's what we're looking for right there. That's the candle we want right here. Gotta wait for it to get down into 150, 151, about the 150. Even the 148 would be great to make an entry. I was worried about it going straight to here and quitting. It's got fresh air on it, all the way to the bottom. I mean, way down here, 135. This is a good one if we can get on it. The massive move right here. Yeah. See, that's why I like about the Rincos, but you know, when I got a platform that Rincos are not that great, then definitely going to look into the trade view one too. I think that's one Paul's got. One more candle. One more. Next candle should be the candle. If this will stay right there about that 150, guys. If it'll stay at 150, 148, breaks that 148, we're gold. We're good to come down to 135. That's what we're going to try to get. We're going to try to get them 10 points. 15, oh, about 13 actually, but maybe 10 or 12. Could be a good move right here. Could be a good one. If you want it holding again, as long as it holds that 151, we can't do anything with it right now. Is it trading in support and resistance? Because it probably is, more than likely. I think we got about 15 seconds on this candle right here. Reversal. Oh man, it's the story of my life today. Reversal. Yeah, it's right here. Same thing. 6 star right here on the 1 minute. You got the 5 minute you said, so hitting the level right there. You got a 5 star there, so that's a major area right there. We have already been into today. One of the zones that we put up. So that's really not probably not going to go anywhere. More than likely. It's right there. Look left over here. You see how this went. And went up here to the what 35. So we maybe give it a break, but gotta get another one on it. I think right now the NQ's got more volatility than any of them. Everything else is just 8, 2, and 6 bid. RTY is 12 bid, 7 ask. It's not going anywhere. This one here is pretty much about the same, 12 and 4. The ES right here is 188 and 120. You see the price still ain't moving. So I'm gonna just put my sim on, guys, for the rest of the day. Unless we get something really, unless we get a really good move. I'm just not going to risk it. Let me go on my charts and make sure I'll make sure my simulators on all my charts so I don't make a mistake. There you go. Back to RTY. The entry's coming back down again to the 151. I'm watching it on the side over here. Candle's moving a lot better than this candle for sure. Just not getting any movement today. These levels are way up there. You guys see the big giant M right here? That big M. Boom. Market fall. That's a big giant pattern for you. That's an M pattern. Breaks the wedge right here at the bottom of the pattern. Boom. It went further down probably even. Yeah, we're not getting nothing here, guys. Yeah, we'll come back when it becomes a 6. Got potential, I think, though. I really do, because it's got some air up there. We can get something off of it, but never know. Put it like this one, you guys can see it really good. This thing is trying to fall. It's negative 29, so into negative 31 now. It's heading down into the sell area. Once we get to the sell area, we should be good. Got to get past this 151, 152 right here. Just can't seem to do it. I think they're going to make these markets run like this till about 3:30, like they usually do, 4 o'clock. Maybe power hour, 3 o'clock, we might see a different change in 20 minutes, but we'll see. I'm not taking any trades in it. Not unless we get a big, giant 6-star algo right here to go down. That's a good selling tree. It's part of the package, the part of the bundle. The X-Brad algo, the Burgess Cloud, EMA Cloud, and the bias indicator down here that shows the bull market right now. So those are all part of the bundle. You can see the links in the description on the YouTube page. Hit the like and share, like and subscribe, notification bell, ring it all, and let us know you're here and you like us, and just come trade with us. Some days we'll have good days. And, hey, if the days we don't get nothing to trade, we just kind of take, we might take a small trade here and there. At least maybe get a couple $100 or something on a bad day. But these bad days, sometimes like this one here, they had some good opportunities. We missed some opportunities with all this morning, but we didn't catch that one. We were on another chart, so this is how that plays out. You can see NQ's trading sideways. Yep, on the 1 minute. We'll check it out and see what it's doing. Yep, right into resistance, just like everything else. But it's got some air though behind it. You see this 34? Yeah, it's got ways. You need to get that 6 though. 6-star YM, 5-star still in play. Yeah, there's the 6 right there. So here's our entry. Okay, this is your entry right here. So this candle. So you have to get the entry there at 34,878. That's our entry. Now, if we can take this entry and push it up, we're going to be good up to the top here. We might retrace back to the top. Everything else seems like it's pushing the top. BS and NQ and all that's kind of still, sitting in the same range as the top level, but YM hasn't got that top level yet. Here it is over here to the left. So 34,896 is where it went before. See, it's tagged up here on the screen right there. So we want to try to get that level if we can. Box. Nope. So yeah, that's pretty much a good area to be in. If it'll break this line, we have to break this to go up. But never know. I think what the problem is today, um, there's so much range. There's been so many ranges and up and down areas. I think it's just kind of let people like the traders are just like kind of staying away. There wasn't much here. Can't trade this. Really couldn't trade that. Can't trade none of this. Yeah, they are. It's like watching paint dry. Better than watching a midget rodeo. That'd be fun. Where I got that out of clear blue. That was good. Oh, mercy. Imagine these little dudes on horses and bulls. That'd be hilarious. I think it'd be kind of cool, actually. That'd be a good sport. I know I went to midget wrestling one time. I thought that was pretty cool. Buddy might taught me to go in, so I went. Pretty fun. First one, last one. Been there, done it. Got the T-shirt. Yeah, now the NQ is doing the same thing it did before. It's still ranging, guys. The NQ's been ranging since 2 o'clock, almost an hour. The volume's coming down now. Unbelievable. We didn't get our target. That's the bad thing. But we might get it later, but I don't know. Looks like our markets might start to fall now. This is the good one here. I should have jumped on that fall. It made something off that fall, that's for sure. Funny. I just seen that, Edward. That's freaking hilarious, dude. Now look at this YM, guys. If this YM breaks this level down here at this 34.53, man, it's gonna be on. But let me check another chart real quick just to make sure. I'll check my levels. Yep, got fresh air down to 838 down there. Way down here. So we break this level here, guys. We break the 853, we should be all right. Here, a midget. Oh, mercy. That's funny. Daniel. Yeah, we got to keep entertained while we're on here, right? Nothing's happened yet, so that entertain ourselves. It's showing neutral on the YM down here. So I would think if it breaks these two levels, it would be going bearish for sure. Let's see. Gotta wait and see, I guess. Yeah, it's way down here in the overbought, way down here in the sell zone already. So it's got a chance to really go down now. I have a feeling, guys, this market's going to sell off. I really do. Yep, wait and see. I just have a feeling. I have a feeling it's going to sell off. I really do. All the metals are down. There's no bid and ask in any of the metals. It's terrible. Well, now there's a huge bunch of bids and ask in the copper. Wow. I guess it closed the. I think does copper close? I don't think it does close. Look at this. It's all sideways though. There's a lot of bid and ask in this, but it doesn't have much going on in it. Yep. Volume reversed again, just like we thought. Playing those games. Playing the up and down game right now in the market. That's what we're doing. All right, guys. See, my glass is kind of empty. So I'm going to go get some tea. Maybe another water. I don't know. Be right back. What do you say?
We are back. So,
I actually haven't heard this one. It's okay.
Melinda's there too.
I'm going to take. All right. Okay, guys, I'm kind of just back. I'm just trying to get some things done. It's just chopping around, anyways. That's all she's doing. Chopping down the forest of dreams. Yeah. I'm ready for a smoke now. Got my vape out. Been down to smoke my vape. Yeah, you can see where the YM just kind of really not doing not much to impress me. The NQ's trading sideways, guys. I don't know what we're doing. This is craziness. I think what they've done is they overextended the price. Just like I said this morning, it's just doesn't have much room to go anywhere else. And it's getting too high and people just ain't wanting to buy it. They're just saying no. They want to come down so they can short it. That's the problem here. We're way too high in the market. Why? I'm just going to try to do the same thing the NQ's, doing. Well, look at this. Boom. Same thing. Almost identical charts. There is no, I mean, there is no bid and ask in hardly anything right now. They'll start picking up probably in about 4 minutes. But you can see we've been trading sideways now. Oh, let's see. We've been ranging for almost an hour. 6 minutes will be an hour. Range market. Oh, that goes on down there. Yeah, the last YM alert I got was 6-star 42. We was trading resistance there, so we didn't take that one either. We'll wait. But hit the like and subscribe button. Hang out with us while we wait. Hit your oh, I know. I told you that thing was gonna fall, dude. There was 98 million shares this morning going down the tank. So Robin Hood is no longer Robin Hood. It's Robin running from the hood. No fun though. That's just a joke. Because I got a friend of mine he calls everywhere he lives the hood, but it's hilarious, guys. In the US, it's pretty funny. I don't think there's a such thing, but who knows? This is what people call things. Everybody I know now calls their house the hood. So it's just or crib or whatever you call it. Even friends I got that, yeah, there you go, man. 47 million. Oh man, that's a drop. That is a drop, man. That's awesome. We knew it was coming. I mean, they kept talking about it in the last couple of weeks in the news. I've been watching it, and this morning I told everybody it was going to tank this morning early. That was about 8:30 this morning when I said, "Hey guys." Also, the funny thing was on this NQ this morning, you know, I called it taking off this morning, and it did. I mean, it went up right over here. But I don't know why we didn't get it. I don't think I didn't get one here, but took off this morning up to the top here, but somebody's texting me. Let's see what this is. That's how far I'm down today. Not far. But anyway, as I'm looking down here at the alerts, there was a lot of alerts today, but most because of the chop market. We're trading sideways or in support and resistance. And that if it hadn't been trading that area, we'd have been good, man, because we got a lot of signals on the expert algo today. I mean, a ton of them. I can count this morning from 9:30. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, About 20 at least. About 20. Yeah, Daniel, I'm the same way, man. I'm just gonna try to get into something big and try to get something positive on the day here. They finish off the day on a positive note if we can. It's my last day of trading for the week. Be back Monday at 7:30 Central Time. And that way, we can start over Monday and try to get a better market view Monday. I think these Thursdays are starting to look like our Fridays used to look. Watch tomorrow be like the golden day. That's usually what happens. You get one bad day, the next day is killer. So if we don't do anything the rest of this afternoon, you can bet you tomorrow or tonight one will be really great. Probably more like tomorrow though, because nighttime trading I don't do anymore. It's just I don't like it. Yeah, and that big news is coming out tomorrow. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff. Let me look at the economic calendar real quick, and I'll tell you. Pull it up here real fast. Look at that. All right, let's see. For calendar tomorrow, guys, we've got right here. The non-farm payroll starts at 7:30. Unemployment rate for July is also 7:30. And then we get the hourly earnings, average earnings at yeah, those are going to be big. Those are also at 7:30. And the participation rate for July is at 7:30, and the unemployment rate's at 7:30. So I'm telling you, this is tomorrow, and the manufacturing payrolls and government payrolls for July are also 7:30. So it's gonna be pretty cool. 7:30 is gonna be nice. Then you got 9 o'clock. You got the whole wholesale inventories meeting on that one there. Um, you got the U.S. Baker Hughes oil rig count tomorrow. I don't know if that'll affect us any or not. But, we also got the speculative net positions at 2:30 tomorrow, and that's going to be on the S&P. And then there's the CFTC NASDAQ 100 positions tomorrow also. So and gold and oil. So all that's at 2:30 also. The ruble, everything's at 2:30. Aluminum, copper, silver, gas, wheat, corn, soybean. So 2:30 is going to be huge tomorrow also. So, excuse me, not, yeah, 2:30. Yep, 2:30. So pretty much 7:30, between 7:30 and 9:30, and then again um, from about about 2:30 to close. So a lot of good stuff coming out tomorrow. So that unemployment's usually the best one. Um, Also, we got to look at. I'll go back here and look at the times on the other stuff here because we need to look at the London's. This is it's the Italian industrial, and the foreign reserves, stuff like that come out 3:30, but I don't think it has much to do with us. But yeah, pretty much 7:30 in the morning is going to be the big one, the payrolls and all that. So we'll definitely probably maybe see some changes tomorrow for sure. We don't get anything today, it's no big deal. We'll start back tomorrow. Well, I won't be on here tomorrow. I might trade with just a few little trades if something's coming out like tomorrow, but I don't trade live on here on Thursday or Fridays. It's usually my day off. I usually take Fridays off, and it also depends on what happens with the situation with my wife and her family. So that's another thing. But I know that I'll definitely be back on for sure on here Monday at 7:30. Yeah, so right there is just kind of like the same thing all day. NQ's doing nothing. You know, while we're just at it, let's go look at let's look at some other stuff. That bat pattern right here. It's kind of nice. Got the butterfly pattern. Excuse me, with the bat. Let's see over there. And this here is the Swiss franc. Just kind of checking out charts. You know what I mean? Gives us something to do. You know, 330 here. Not getting much movement on stuff. I'm watching everything else as I'm watching these. So kind of see what's going to run or not run. But the bid and ask is terrible on all the indices. Just craziness. Another chart that I really like is this one here. But this one, this is an old chart, guys. Don't pay attention to these numbers on here. Um, this 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 chart here is like, was it Paladine? I think it is called. But this one here, man, is a money maker. But you got to be careful. Look, it got the 6-star right there too. Boom. And I started to get into this earlier, right about 1 o'clock. And I thought, no, I'll wait because I'm gonna get back on anyway. But man, I should have got in that one, huh? It made a fortune. That pays really well, man, really well. This one pays a lot of money on the tick here. But if you enter it and get it wrong, you're gonna lose. So I just like looking at that one also. Then we'll go to this one here also. Well, this is an old chart. These are all old charts, so don't pay attention to them. But yeah, it's sitting at a level down there also. What's this one here? This is supposed to be gold, I think. Wouldn't work earlier. I think it's already being crazy. See, gold just doesn't come up today. There you go. So I'll go to RTY. You can see we get the 5-star here, bounced off, nothing happened there. Still trading in the range, pretty much. ES doing the same thing, guys. No trades on the ES. NQ, disaster. No trades. I think they're waiting for 330. Actually, I think they're waiting for that 351. It'll bounce right back up. I guarantee you, 351. I bet you this market goes right back up to 162 and closes there, or between here 162 for the close on that one. And the YM, you got the 6 here. Boom, there's our entry right here, but we're not moving much. So we could probably, this is the one we could probably get into, but I'm not sure about as bad as the market's been. I'm just really skittish on entering. Maybe a simulated trade. You know what I mean? I'm going to enter on a simulated trade. I'm not going to take a real trade because it's just nothing that I'm. The market's been today. I just don't really like it. So we'll see. We'll see what happens with the sim trade. Watch you make a fortune right here. Usually happens when I sim it just for fun. You know what I mean? So the market is really just not even moving. You see the Y is just doing nothing either. But you never know. Power hour, we still got time for this thing to get going. But somebody just needs to reach in the office over at Wall Street and say, hey, man, hit the button. Let's go. So you can see 150 down there. It's just sim trade. Don't take it as a serious trade. I'm just simming, guys. You can see my stop loss. There's a 6-star. So my stop loss, I've got standard come on in just below the, right there at the cloud, like it normally would be if I was trading it as a roll trade. And then I got my first target, well, sitting right here at the 34,892. There you go, 50 bucks. Now $50 down. See, it's just going to bounce back and forth for a second. But hey, it could come up here and touch the target, which would be nice. But yeah, we're not getting a lot this afternoon. I'm really shocked too because you would think they'd want it to go up further. See, it's just kind of like doing nothing. So just gonna kind of cancel my sim and just not even worry about it. Too much of a slow push. Kind of slow grind, guys. It could possibly top out right here at the 34,892 is what I'm thinking, but I'm just not going to create my live account on it today. Just going to wait till tomorrow or Monday. Not risk losing anything else, taking a bad loss. Look at this one here now. Starting to break down this cloud. We can get down if the EMQ would just pull. I think the EMQ is going to fall before the end of the day. It's setting up for a fall. You can see right here, we're if we had a guess on this, if we had a magic wand, we would say this is ranging to break. And I think it's going to break somewhere. Ranging markets usually break. And if it's going to break, I think the downside break is where it's going to go. And I'm thinking, let's look left over here. There's really nothing there left. Let's see, like this way. So yeah, there's nothing really there on the left. So if it breaks down past the 145, right there at the 145, it's going to go all the way down to the bottom, 10 points. So we'll see what this one does. We might have a winner, guys. NQ might be the trade of the day coming in here. Could be. Or we could come here and touch this level at the 145 and then not do anything. We've seen that before. Hit our levels, boom, stop, just like this one here did. Same thing. Went up, pulled back to our level right here, bounced, came back up. All the way here. Came ranging. So we're still ranging right now. But I think the range is coming to an end here shortly. Shortly, for sure. Let's hope so. Hit your like and subscribe button and check out our YouTube page and check out the expert algo, the divergence cloud, the EMA cloud, and the bias indicator. They're all part of the bundle. They're on there. Check them out. You can go on global trading softwares, YouTube. Just check it out on YouTube. You can see all the videos and all that stuff, how to use them, how to set them up, what they do. If you need help, come on here with us and we'll explain it for you. Just hope everybody's having a good day. We've had fun today. We ain't had a lot of trades, but we've had fun. This is going down. Let me come down to here, 145. Eventually. maybe tomorrow. No, she should start trailing down. I think the range is over and we're going to start making the downside now. I'm looking at the other chart too, and it looks promising, very promising. We just need a candle to form under this EMA for the 145. I'm going to wait till it breaks this 145. If it does, then we'll have a nice big 10-point move. We'll take that for a trade to finish the day for sure. And we might even get a 6-star here on the algo if we break this going down, which would be nice. Wait and see. Like you said, Edward, just a wait and see game, man. We got about 15 more minutes till I get off for the day, so I'm hoping we can grab this before we have to get off. I'd like to finish my week with a strong, good trade. Yeah, I don't blame you there, man. Might as well keep your gains if you got them. All right, Daniel. I'll text you later, man, or just text me. Have a great day too, bro. I'll catch you. I'll call you later. Yeah, smart man. Keep your gains and quit. It's a smart thing to do, especially at this time of day. If you've got gains, hey, and you've five, six, $700, $1,000, keep it and walk away. If you're green on the day, close it. You know, when you're green, turn off the machine. Okay, so we got. I know it's going to break this 145 right here. It's coming down. Here we go. Maybe getting close to my 145 right here. I just want to see a push. It's on down. You can see the bias indicator is saying neutral. So it's not quite in the bear market yet. I do believe it gets down in here, it will be. Yeah, it's going to fall. You can use my rock. Isn't that weird? Wow. There he goes. Been strange today, man. Yeah, walk away. Walk away. Not yet. Not yet. It's still falling though. This thing's gonna fall, man. I'm telling you. It's way down in this overbought. It's way down there in the sell range area. So I think this thing's got another, at least another whole candle like this to go down once it passes this 145 right here. It's just the pullbacks that are so dangerous. We definitely want it to break the 145, close below, and go. It's trying, really trying. Yeah, there it goes. I don't want the big wick to go too far down. I'd like it to stay right where it's at, and the next candle come down here and close on it. Maybe we should switch over here. Let's see. Let's look at the 1 minute on this. Same thing. Fresh air. See that? It's got fresh air all the way down. 145 and below, man. It could take off. Oops, sorry. Yep. It just broke the one right there at the one. Yep, 144. You gotta come down past the 144 for this to run. And there she goes. It's gonna sell a little bit of this off of here. And get a little bit of money. Not gonna lose a lot though. Not gonna lose a lot. I'm just trying to get something for the end of the day here. This looks good though. It's got fresh air. A lot of fresh air. Yeah. I'm gonna move my limiter all the way down there. Just let her go. Hold that $20. Really? I don't understand what my deal is here with this because with 4 contracts, one tick should be $20. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, I was thinking about it. I was going to ask you because I thought there was a pivot run of 132, 131, but I wasn't sure. We should be good, man, to fall all the way down to there if this thing will just get going. I don't know why it's not showing. Oh man, this is gonna be bad right here. Unless it breaks that D, we're gonna be done. It's gonna reverse on us. So hopefully it'll fail the pattern and go back. We'll see. It brings in a pattern late on us. That's just great. But at least it's letting us know, hey, this might not stay the same, guys. So yeah, I'm definitely probably, yeah, I got out of that one. I hit my stop. So that's good to know that came in there and hit my stop because we thought about riding this down and nope, this bat pattern just saved us big time. See this right there coming right at this perfect time to save us. Now she's going to reverse and go the other way. That's beautiful. I'm glad the bat pattern came in there. It was nice. So anyway, that's the last probably trade I'll make today. Just too much chop and too much craziness. But at least I had it on the 1 minute. Waiting on the 3 minute. We're still be waiting for it to go down. Uh, just watch this. Watch the. Let's look at the 5 minute even. Check out the 5 minute. See that? That's what I like about that one. That's what I like about these um, different time frames. You know, now my back pattern's completely gone. Wow, that's weird. Yeah, there's a divergence right there. It should be going down. It's got fresh air to fall. The bat pattern's not there anymore. See if it's on the 5 minute. Nope, not on the 5 minute either. Fresh air on the 5 minute. Look at that. Yeah, you probably got that divergence right here. Yeah, you got on the 1 minute right here. You got it. See it? There's divergence right there. Hello. Hmm. Yeah, I've got about 7 more minutes left of my day. I was hoping to get a good trade off of this, but I don't know. It's like it's just neutral markets what it's showing on the 1 minute. Let's look at the 3 minute and see what it's doing before I get off here today. And the 3-minute is not bad at all. Still hanging the same. I mean, they all look pretty good. It just can't get the fall. Let me check my messages real quick. Got a ton of them. We're good. People asking me if we're still on. I'm like, yeah, we're on, but we've only got about 6 minutes left. They thought I traded till 5. Oh yeah, man, there's nothing going on. You're right, Stealth. It's nothing, man. We just we've had this pretty much most of the day, and it's just been really a lot of really nothing. Look back here. This is 11:30 today, and this is just nothing. There's nothing in here. You can't trade any of this. Slow down maybe, but you can't because the cloud. I mean, ranging, cloud, ranging, cloud, cloud, ranging, and ranging. So NQ, they all pretty much look the same. Yep, they're all waiting for that. You're exactly right. 7:30 in the morning. So 7:30 in the morning, I'll be back on here. 8:30 our time. I guess that is 7:30. That's 7:30 Eastern time. That's going on. I guess so I'll be up early. I'll probably be up at 6 in the morning, preparing for it. Is Edward? Do you think is that Central Time or is that Eastern Time for that 7:30? I do believe it's Eastern. I'm not sure. I think it's Eastern Time. Yeah. Yeah. So there's really nothing happening here. Just a bunch of up and down, up and down. Oh, it's Central. Yep. Okay. Good. Yeah. That's like when and that's exactly when I get on. So um, I might I might get on like 15 minutes earlier. Yeah. So we can try to get into that if we can. If I'm up, I'll just go ahead. If I'm up and if it's I'll get with Damien in the morning, but he'll know if I send him a message to get on. I might even get on a little earlier so we can try to see if we can catch some of that. We ain't catching nothing today. Maybe catching a cold. That's about all we got. Uh, oh mercy. But there's days like this in the market. We have to be prepared for these kind of days. This is why you take good trades to build your account. And yeah, that's what I've been doing, getting up earlier and see if I can catch some of the trades. Exactly. Yeah, we'll have to give it like in the morning, like 5-10 minutes to shake itself out before we make trades on it. But yeah, I'll be definitely up and waiting on it. Oh, well, I won't be on here in the morning. Crap, not live with you guys. Oh, somebody's calling me again. Hang on a second, guys. Hello, hello. Yeah, they keep hanging up. So some kind of insurance people, I guess. Somebody called me today and said my disability was approved. I don't even. Excuse me, I've never even filed for it. Hello. It's hilarious. Anything to get you on the phone to try to sell you something. That's the new thing today. It's hilarious the scams they got going on. Yeah, so you can pretty much right now the RTY guys has 9 bid and 9 ask. ES has 160. Well, did have 160. Now it's got 94 and 98. NQ's got 5 and 6. YM's got 6 and 3. Gold has got, well, gold's closed, I guess, because it ain't doing nothing. And this It's like the currencies. They've only got one bid and one has. Some of them got 60 and 50, 30 and 20, but that's just no big deal. Nothing's moving. Make sure you hit your like and subscribe button. Ring the notification bell. Let us know you like us. I don't know if we're going to have a highlights video for this Thursday or not. I'm sure Paul will come up with something. And no, I didn't. I didn't get to catch it. I wanted to, but I missed it. And hit the notification bell. Let us know you like us. Remember, you can find the expert algo, the EMA cloud, the versions cloud, the bias indicator, everything you see on my screen, you can find on the YouTube page with the links, and get them all right there. And they are running that $600 6-month lease on that. Somebody called me, help me pay off my student loans. Yeah, I had one of them call me like asked me all kinds of questions and said my car was ready for make. Oh no, my warranty on my car was expiring. Like, that's kind of funny. And he said, "What do you mean?" I said, "My car's brand new, dude. How come my warranty be expiring?" "Oh, I must have the wrong guy." Yeah, you do. This is hilarious stuff. It's just dumb. I'd hate to be a telemarketer somewhere having to do that for a job. Look at this thing. Here goes our fall, guys. Look at this. Anyway, I don't think it's going to fall anymore. So I'm going to get off here today, guys, and call it quits. Edward, nice to see you, brother. Thank you for letting me know there will be highlights this week. I appreciate that, Damon. Stealth, it's good to see you. Nikolov, I hope to see you again on Monday. And Daniel's already said goodbye to us. You guys have a really great tomorrow and a great weekend. And I'll see you guys back here Monday morning, 7:30 live. Okay? So enjoy. All yours, Damien. Bye, guys.